it takes 48 hours to build this whole computer monitoring system where you can steal your computer client, you can get the content idea from their popular post, you can also know what people are saying about them, so you can just improve your service, also know where people are criticizing, so you can just introduce a new service to get a client. And if you're the person who are just want to just crush your competitor completely, just stay to this video. At last, you'll learn everything that you need. Now, let's look at the holistic view of what the AI agent look like. Let's see. Now, now what we do is that what we do, we just analyze our competitor post from our industry, our competitor industry. That we just analyze the post. But how we analyze is that we use the service known as Epify and use a LinkedIn post scraper actor to scrape their post. And then after that, we use the make.com to just do the LLM step, ChatGPT step, so we can just summarize, classify everything that we use the make.com. Then I use a prompting style known as, you can say that we just format the whole scripting data. There's their first name, their last name, their post text, their shares, their likes, their comment, their latest in comment, their latest in reaction. It makes it very easy to analyze it further. So I'm just structuring the prompt also. Now, after that, we just summarize the whole post. So what the post look like. Then we use the LLM to summarize the whole post. Then, then after summarizing the post, we use the post classification because not every post we need to just analyze and do this stuff. So what do we do? What do we do? We do a post classification where I have four buckets especially. One is information post. What is what is informational? Means that we do we just analyze that this post give you some information about industry like news or like tools. We just analyze that from the first category. Second is achievement that they have an award, they have a success story, their testimonial. This is achievement. And third is are offering a system that they are pushing some product, they are selling something, they are offering something, that they are posting something that go to offer and advertising. And if anything not fall in this three bucket, what we do, we just put in the food bucket called others. That everything that not fall in this bucket, we just fill in the others bucket. Now, and further that, we not need achievement what because we not about what the achievement we not think about. Now, what we do, if the post is informational, we do the sentiment analysis part. We just do by how we just we have a comment of latest 10 comment. We just analyze the people's sentiment that it's positive, negative, or neutral. If the content is positive, what we do, we just go put the post topic and just put the LLM and say that go research on this topic and give me the content idea. So we can repost that content in a different form. And if the content is have negative reviews, negative points in information content, we should just get a summary of it, what the content is about. So we can just our team can handle analyze it. Okay, what this problem they have fact issue or what. So we just get the summary of why the post is have negative review. That's thing. But the thing is that if the post have offering them advertising comment, what we do, we again do sentiment analysis and we have this category the positive, negative, and neutral. If the people are saying positive, what we do again a client acquisition say that if the plumbing service selling something that I offer this thing for this much dollar and the client is eager to okay I need this, what do, we just get their comment and their user ID. This is it. We can also get their LinkedIn profile and just we put up that and just use again run the whole thing and can offer our own pitch by analyzing the post. Okay, if the person is more likely to buy, we can also pitch the product by selling a discount or giving this offer. So this we can also have this lead generation activity in our post, competitor post also. But if the post are negative, what we do is that we just find a gap. If they are offering something and people are not trying to reaching out there, they're saying this is happening, this criticizing. We just find the gap. What's the gap looks like? We can just fill the gap. We can also just fill the gap of the market of also. Now, with the neutral, we do nothing because in neutral we don't have to numerous post scraping. But right now we're not doing neutral post. We're just doing the positive and negative. Now, let's go to overview of this whole AI system, how it looks like. This is that's the make.com. You know that. First of all, we have Epify database where we get the data of post. Then we use set variable prompts for prompting style. You can see that we have set variables of their post shares, like, comment. We have 10 comments and 10 reactions. Yeah. Now, before moving forward this point, I will show you how I just get this whole information. For getting this information, a link, I use LinkedIn post scraper in Epify account. Let's see how it's like. So this is the whole. This is the scraper you can search on the Epify. There's a LinkedIn post scraper. Now you have to put your cookie and just post your user ID name. So what I do, how to get a cookie? Just go into LinkedIn. Just simple. We have just download this. This known as cookie editor. This cookie editor, just go and just type in the cookie editor, and after you find it, just click it and just click on here, and you just click, and you just go to export the whole thing in a JSON format. Just go and export in JSON format, and just go to again your Excel account, and just use to paste it. Now you just get everything of your cookies. You have to do nothing. Now Now, how this actor work is that we just use the user ID of the any person of LinkedIn and just skip the latest post. How much we post one. So we just get the user ID name, LinkedIn link, and limit our post, how much post we needed. And also set a duration, max duration. If you're scraping a large volume, you just set the minimum duration and large duration if you need it. And there is also other proxy. If you are just want to optimize it, you can just use it. Now it's very simple manner. How can we do it? So let's go with it. I will choose him. So just copy the LinkedIn URL and just paste on this Epify LinkedIn after. You just have to paste it on this nothing. And after that, you just choose how much post you are scraping. This is obviously 3 for me, and just save and start. Just scrape right now, and you have to do nothing. Sit for a while, and it already scrape everything that you needed. Now we just get the whole data. That takes few seconds to get output. Now we see output. Now let's see how the output looks like. Now you can imagine that how much data we can get if we just do the whole our competitor. Now let's copy. This is my own practice that I use. That whenever I just use any actor, when the output comes, I use a JSON editor website and go and paste and see what data I'm getting. So I can better understand. Okay, how can I use that? We have just typed the JSON editor. No, no. Just expand this thing and just go to text and just whole copy and just delete and just copy this. Now again, after this, you click to format. Now it beautifully formatted it, and then you just click this tree button. Tree. Now and just you close it. Now you can send a quick. You're getting three objects. This is one post, second post, third. And how it's work is that it use indexing from that. It starts from 0, 1 to 3. It's known as array indexing. So you have not to create the series of three objects only understand that. Not do the whole math on. Now after just clicking, I know to what I'm just use the JSON object to know what I'm getting. Okay, I get the type of the post. Okay, this is the image type post. Okay, this is the URL of the post. Okay, this is all about the text of the post. Okay, we get ultimate results are worth 5,000. The automation ultimation. Okay, we get text also. The attribute was 0. Now, what we're getting from this comment, we're getting 10th latest comment, the research, the entity, and also author. Who is the author? Means author is all about the who is creating the post. There's no we not need the author anyway. We can go down here and get author. here also. We not go to from there to doing that. And and comment, we just have text. Also, the best part is that you also get something known as their ID also, publicly ID. You can use the ID for another thing. You can use the ID to just get the client. I just show in the next in a couple of seconds after how can we use the ID, public ID, and just like, get that LinkedIn URL from the comment. Now we're getting 10 comments. Also, we're getting 10 reactions. Okay, how much we like. Some people like, some people react. Okay, they reacting. Some people are reacting. We get number of shares, number of likes, number of comments, and everything that we needed. And this the whole thing there. So I know that now I understand that what I'm getting is that I'm getting 10 comment and 10 reaction and text image and text a video. So what I can do, I can understand okay how can I use it. Now I just make a plan that how can we use the text summarize the whole text by using the comment and reaction. Just go see. When doing here step, what I told that we just scrape the data and use this form that you very specific that who is the name, the LinkedIn post, the LinkedIn share, like, comment and reaction. After getting this data in a JSON format, we just put in the LLM step to understand okay what the text look like. We just summarize the whole text. That's like so easy to understand the text. Do this text read or not? So you can summarize the whole text. Now before going to whole thing into make.com, I will show how we connect the Amplify account to our make.com. It's very simple, straightforward. We have not to do. We just have to go and just click here and just add a module. And then as you just go to Amplify and we just have to run actor, connect automatically. So what we do just here, click here, getting your account, just click your add and just you need to your API token. So where you get the API token, you just go to your again your account and just go to setting and just API integration and you can get your API token. There is a default token, you have ability to create a token, you can just give the permission, do what the API can do, and just go to click this whole thing and just paste on it. And you already and you connect your API. Just go and just paste on this. Add and just paste here and just click OK. And you connected your API account with Make.com. Very simple and straightforward. Nothing good. Now, I already connected, so I don't need to just connect again. So what I do is just drag this thing to here. So okay, right. We connected. Now we just unlink this first and just put this runner to here. Now to run the actor, what we have to do is that we have to just search the actor. Uh, and what is the actor? Just the name of this. Just the name of the where is it go? We just listen we run the task. Yeah. This is known as actor because we're using this and in the F5 it's still known as actor. So we just have to search this name in this format. We just go there, just your link name post scripper and we get it, we just click and we have also have to put input of JSON. And when we get input JSON, just again go to LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, just go to Amplify account and just go into here and just go to it here and source module. You have to just put JSON and just go to your manual to JSON. Then you have to just copy the whole object to the next to the last. Just copy the whole object. Control A, Control C, and just paste it the whole thing because we are also putting a cookies here. And we don't directly paste here because if you put directly, it doesn't good make a good JSON string. So what we do, we again go this JSON editor to format the JSON because if you just directly doesn't format it correctly and it break down and just it create issue in. for the process. So what we do, I just go there and just paste here and just use this format again and just format the whole thing. And again copy and then I paste in this actor. Just now. Now this is our variable. Now this is the linear. This all about this our cookie that we know that we have to paste this different. Now this is our linear. Now we have to just split this dynamically. What we do, what when we're running this, what we do, we just again add a module called Google Sheet here, and just we can just add Google Sheet and just paste the variable from that to there. We just paste the link. See, let's see. So we just create a Google Sheet and we just get the search row model and just we just get the link level from a Google Sheet and just paste on this as a variable by putting simple by adding simply this format and just add a variable here and just put in here. Just like just see and just do all things. But right now I'm just doing manually. I'm not having dynamic thing. You can just know how to just put this in this variable. I so now before I just already scrape, what we do is that now I again scrape the whole thing. But but there is a catch around here that whenever you're using actor and data set item, because I use data set item because it's very convenient to use it again and again in testing purpose. I show you how is that. I have to just use a state module because uh, there is a few second delay on running actor and getting a storing data. And if it runs simultaneously, what happens? If the run actor and just it runs simultaneously, it doesn't get any storage. So what we do, we just add a sleep module here. And just put some delay on it. And of course, we just put delay on at least 5 to 6 seconds, not more than it. 5 to 6 seconds, and save it. And again, we just get dataset item and just connect it. Now, now this is known as get data item because it's very convenient to use to testing your flow and you have to not run to amplify again and again and skip for one data for again and again. You can use dataset item. So I show it. Just before doing that, you just have to just put dataset item. Just go and search here dataset and just put this default dataset item in here. Yeah, just click OK and just put limit about nothing more fascinating. Now, we just run the create the Epify step on here. We can just connect the Epify and just see this is working or not. Just click here, run again. Maybe it can only be actually follow what happened. Okay, save. Now we're running. Now, something's happened. You just broke out. You just change your email ID. Now, so we get the data. I already said that. What happened in whenever we use the data item, it runs fast, and I think we put a 10-second delay on here. Wait, get a grab a data again. We take some time scraping, and if you run simultaneously, we don't get any data. Now again we just get a data. It is say it's three bundles. We get three posts. What we get again in the same format that we needed with the in the type. We get the URL of the post. We get the text about the post, and we get the attribute. We get the comment, and we get the reaction. And we get number of sign, number of link, and this. Now, now use this whole thing to just scrape a data. Now, I have a prompt. Just connect it. With what we use it. So what we do, I have just created a prompt this thing. We just create a first name, we just post text, total share total comment, and also list the whole comment in here. And in the variable, it comes in array. What we have to do is that we have to just put the array and just put 1 1 and 2 2 because we need this common array, so we just define the position. That's why I put the array on it. 0 1 2 3 and this one and all for reaction. Okay, you just go in here and just click here, comment, and just push your what you need a text, and you need just put your variable how much 1 2 3. So go up to 10 and you get 10 because you only get 10 comments. So just I use it 10. So you can also use this and just go chat. You can say that only change this module and you can get from that. Get a better understanding. Now, we just get the whole thing from here. And what we do this prompt based on this classification summarizing post and to summarize the whole post. And then summarizing a post, we just use the post classification. But we just how to classify? We just classify in 4 parts. Your offering, achievement, others, and we just put in JSON object format. So it's easy to just understand it from that. We're getting the run. We just pass the JSON, again we just pass the JSON and then use route. If the informational post will get up, then the sales going down, then we again analyze the sentiments, if the positive, then we just again use this JSON parser, so no, okay, this is the value, and then we just use again the parsing JSON, so if the positive go up, if negative go down, if this one buying intent, then again parse it, then if the positive go to lead gen and store it in Google Sheet, if the it is not go to market cap and just understand what the fault and just make a Google Sheet, Google Docs. This is a whole flow. Let's learn it how it's look like. Uh, I didn't even how this do its work or not. So before telling doing that, each time is so ridiculous to run each time our step input because we are running each time. You can see that we're running each time the same data here. You can see that we run 4 times, but same data getting 3 posts. So it meant, and we have to do multiple testing in throughout this whole video. So what I do is that, especially that, just put the real its dataset item from there. We just go link in post, again go to here I post, and just go to storage and copy the dataset item. And just copy and just paste on here. And that is mean that now we just calling the same dataset item three posts again and again without scraping that because we know that okay we're getting this three data and we have to use that for again and again we're just calling. We're not using our scraping to the script again and again. That's why you That's why it is easy, convenient to just also save out credits and if I also use the data again and that make very useful. That's why using this format. It's very useful. Now, now we just now again run it and it works same. Okay, I just post for this one because it's done 3 times. Now, again everything is correct, good. Now, before running this, we just get a whole data from this, but I want to test you that how it work as information text and how it work for offering. So So I can just go to script and find out this post right now to go. So I just create the post from here again by using the same strategy that I create an offering post with the same the post, the comment, and the ID, and using that post to just run the whole thing because we can just create the any link right now and just get the offering post and information for testing purpose. But I have to create a two posts that can show the whole system efficiency right now or workability right now. So that's why I'm using that. Now let's go, just use run here. Now classify the post. Now it is the offering post. Now it's finding the buying intent about it. It takes a little bit time because I just put this use a large language deep thinking model, so it just go and deep and find out okay what the user just actually wanting or not wanting. What this takes a little bit time. Download this is a dummy LinkedIn post because I want to show you each section with this whole post because uh, I have the post section. I have to run the two section with you that how it's working. And if you know this, this is the work. This is the now this is the offering post with positive comment. Now just it's now analyzing the buying it right now. It takes too much time to server error or anything else. But you can see how efficient this should be. Okay? You can just run the whole comment and you can just get a client from a LinkedIn post. Because if people are commenting right about the post and offering post, they are most likely people just buy it. So that's why it's so efficient because we can get a very warm audience from a competitor and we can just pitch them with seven. It can reduce our leads and cost very drastically down. I was taking some time to just finding the buying intent. Okay, operations edit means that it's something bigger. Error. Okay, I think I should change the model from here right now. So right now using open router, so we can easily change the model right now. Just using now. Okay, I'm using Queen. That's why it's taking too much time. Just use DeepSeek to estimate level. Now again we run it because I want to use a different AI model for different. I think this Queen have a lot of server traffic, so that's why it's not returning this. So you can use this different AI model. And it's very useful when using open order. You can just change anything, any model right now. Okay, what happened again? Who's your error? What the error is? Let's see what the error is look like. Do I pass suggestion? Yes, pass suggestion. Yes. Okay, we just flash thinking model. Just again change it. Wait, flash thinking model. Google flash thinking model. Okay, just save and not getting data from here. Now save. Now again test it. It happens. That's why you use this model because we don't have to script. Do again and again. Now it works very properly. Now do this. Now, now this post is neutral. That's why it doesn't go into any flow. Now I just want to show if the neutral we doesn't have a filter. But if the post is positive, now just change the comment and just show you if the post is positive, we just store the data because you can see that here. First of all, we have a summary of the whole text that is analyzing the comment and post advertising offer building AI, the targeting to a business individual, second sync, and recommendation post to good prompting line value service. You just get a full summary of the content of what the post is. Next time, what in post summarization, we just get the hope what this post about. It is off- offering you sales. So it categorize the whole post. Then again, use this and password module to the password JSON object, and then you use a router. If the information go up and down. This is, so this is offering a sales post. It goes down. Now again, we just is buying intent and it says it is neutral right now. It is neutral. It says without actual comment is impressive to buying intent. So we just have a neutral. So that's why it's neutral, it's again faster, and I have only for positive and negative. If neutral, so it doesn't show again. That's just a comment and just do it. Just write a comment for it. Now just get a post. Now get a post from here. Now write a comment for it. Okay, here is competitor. Here is our post. take a whole post and just go to ChatGPT again. Write all positive buying intent comment for for this post for this post for in same format. Now we need also format also. Control V and this. Now we just okay, we just get all the posts in same format. AI power future of the this is pretty fantastic. Business stay. I can't wait to impact. Okay. Now just create a whole comment that is positive and just buying intent and just again use this. Just go here and just paste it. Now again we draw it the whole thing and see how it looks like. It's not so easiest to understand that if you run different way. Now just also get buying positive intent. Now here now with positive. Now we just have what we just do the positive that we just create a messaging loop that pushes the post text and user. The comment and the media interesting. Also, I have three formats. Once a comment, what is the level of interest and comment style? Is it exciting, enthusiasm, or casual formatting, which have four levels, the user ID. And we do for each comment that what this doing that is searching that or doing not. But we do for each comment. Now, I'm gonna tell you that I have a user ID. We can find the user ID link from here by using this ID and go with a couple of seconds after. Now, and after that, then we just again pass it the whole post here in this interest and just paste in the Google Sheet. Now, so you can see the Google Sheet in here. Now, here is the Google Sheet. Then we pass it a whole thing. I think we should use iterator right now because we only passed the one thing, so we can use iterator. This whole uh, I'm just not showing you the whole finishing product right now. I'm just showing this how can we iterate the whole thing. This is the problem I'm solving. This is the problem I'm solving. That's why you can learn the very well. Okay. We need only one thing, only one group, but we need four modules. So what we do here, we are going to go here and just use iterator module because we need 10 bundles. And this is only for one bundle. So we have 10 bundles. So what we do, just unlink this whole thing and just use this iterator module. Let's add on here and just push this array on it and use the array for here and again use the model right now. Okay, now and use this data user ID, the comment, the interest label, and the comment style. Okay, I can run the whole scenario again. Okay, now we run the whole scenario again. I think I used a lot of ops right now. But that's totally fine. It is testing a couple of things we have to do for that things. Now, now again we just do the everything and now we store each and every comment here. Again, user ID, content, buying intent, excitement, is or the direct. You can change anything. There also comment. Now, okay. Now, after that, we just store the content. You can send them to our team to see, okay, look, this, okay, comment. This is the post, and they are saying that, okay, they need it. We can just again go and cross sell them. Okay, we have this product for this time. We are interested on because they are already interested. We have can just pitch them product and get to buy into it, and that's make our conversion rate so high. That's what we need. Now, and if there is a market gap, we just create a Google Doc. Just say there is a Google Doc, we just create a Google Doc and just say okay, and our team just go to set and set analyze the summary and just say okay, what do we can make a product on it? Do we make a service on it? And think about it. Now we do for informational post. What informational post look like? Now I have created informational post right now, and here is an informational post about Dixie. Just we have just copied the whole thing with comment and just paste here because I'm using this variable for right now. And I think it's formatted uglily. Okay, that's fine. And again we done this whole scenario. Let's see how it's work. Now with positive, with informational, get a resource on it, make a content. Now I tell you how it's full. Again, you get now this code get informational. Now this classification get informational because we are researching on DeepSeek. So this education information. Again, we just see the parse it and just go to this router information post. And again, just analyze the sentiment. Okay, people are liking the post or not. If the people are liking or not, liking or unliking or they are neutral. Okay, this is something that the people are interested. And then we use a parsing module to parse the object, and then we use the router for two things. That is the positive. That people are eager to know the information. We make a content about it. So we can just repost the content to the again our LinkedIn profile or anything, any post. So just any social media, not a post, any social media. I mistake. And just choose here. Now we have a whole content idea. Okay, missions, brief, thing post about this important. Now there are all this research into industry, their statistics, their emerging concern, their data point, their expert insight, the competitive landscape. We have also the categories of box, and we have observation, and we have also the target audience they are doing, and a lot of sort of in headline optimization, the hashtag, we have issue visibility. We have what in depth detail of whole the topic that one day. So we can make a video content, we can make YouTube content, we can make Instagram, we can make Twitter content, we can do every content like this. We can make a podcast on this because this we get ever getting content idea from our competitor because they are posting and they are validating the content and we can use that. And that's we just post in here and see how this look like. No, you can just say content messaging. This is a post about post engagement overall highlight. This is the summary of the post. After the post summary, because I pushed all the post summary from this module because our team also know the context of the post also. So we just get summary from this summary post. From there, indicating from we get a summary from this post, all of the positive engagement, everything that we needed from that. Is summarize the post, so get team get a better understanding of what the post about, what's the post about, and then using that, and after that we just put in the our content, whole content item, which is this mission brief, link for some of DeepSeek, our model, highlighting the significant development of AI landscape, the Intel report, okay, industry trend, gaining momentum, report of gathering source from this is also strategic cost of any major demand trend. We have a source also from here, percepting curves, we have data point, we have landscaping, we have all the there's a comparison also. We can just use also format this whole thing because right now we're not fine. We can use this and just say that this format in HTML and we can just use it. We can see that there is various nuances in our chat GPT. When each time we get some problem, we can just think about it. Okay, I'm getting a problem. Okay, what I do? We can just say the chat GPT. Okay, just use in HTML format. And after HTML, we can just solve the whole structure of it. The observation, what is the concise constructing content, we can target also who might target. We also need action item with headline, so instead of choosing one, also getting the structure readability, possibility, deep sync, we using approximate 20 days, readability, we just also getting a read to clear call to action, and also hashtag essay visibility in detailed, which our team can know the each step. Okay, okay, this content, and they can make a variety of content from this. We can make a podcast. Again, we can use audio models to use a podcast about it. We can just run the whole research. in another language model and make a podcast and use 11 apps or any text to speech module and then make a podcast about it. We can also write a text script, we can a YouTube script, and then we can record a YouTube video. Again, we can make a multiple tweet about it and also make a paper on it. That's the blog post also. Right? There's variety thing we can do from this resourcing too. That's right. Okay. And especially I use deep thinking model right now here for this purpose. Yeah. If its information was negative, so what we get a short summary of the post. Okay, why this information is not good. That's what we get from this one. If the post is negative, you just get a short summary. You can with this a criticism. Now you can analyze. Okay, do we have the opportunity to make a contradicting post, a controversy because the post also controversy post also get reached. So we can just analyze the whole post. And, okay, this is the post. We can make controversy, and now team get a decision on it. So that's when get decision and they can paste vegan and go to resource on topic. So that's why I put a resource on it because our team decided, okay, do I want to make a content out of it or not? Because our team has a choice. In this clear, you have a clear positive view that okay, we have to make a content because people are saying yes. But in negative, we not have to do about do we make content on this. So we not spend on content resource. We just give a summary because people are saying this what we should do. The human can go there and see okay, this is we can make a content or we can leave the content. If you post, but also that you leave the neutral because you're not a neutral. If you post it neutral, it does not matter at all. And this is the whole LinkedIn content analysis tool you can use and to post anything. Because if you run in bulk, get as much data from your competitor each day, you can just analyze the whole thing. You can we also can customize it according to our preference. So this you can see that each step we have a problem, we can go to advanced and advanced. Again, we can if we can also if a negative, we can also have a categorize okay what kind of negative we can also use that from. It's about how you thinking, how you think about it. Right now, just make a whole skeleton of this module. We can and now we can just have a creative idea and I can add everything each module, taste our different thing. Okay, I think okay I have to do this. Just like I just add in the morning that okay we should iterate and just put this link here on again okay one thing I'm missing that I also said how can we just make this URL as a link then so there's a simple trick we have to do that use this format this copy the whole thing here okay yeah, again okay where is look like okay. So we have to first we have to get the user ID from here now we have a comment how we can just edit the whole card thing. Comment we just this, we get entity, we just author, and author we just click this publicly available data and copy this whole thing and just paste on here slash control V and just copy this URL and if we push here in browser we get the linear account. Now we get the Ajay Pradeep. We get the LinkedIn account. So what we can just go to here and just go to here and just and before posting this Google Sheet because we have IDs, what I can do is in a variable, I just paste the whole thing is here. Yeah, I think it's a little lacking right now. This happens sometimes. You use too much. Okay. So we're running out of battery. I have a quick video because I have to running out of battery. Now it's shut down, I think. I should take my charger right now. Okay. But we just go to copy paste here and just remove the whole this part and also remove this. Now, now we get the LinkedIn URL also. So we also get the LinkedIn URL to client. Can you we can use the LinkedIn to reach out. Now, this is all things about the studio part. If you have something, if I do something wrong, just comment on me. We can solve, discuss together, and just solve the problem. And if you have any suggestion, just suggest in the comment box, and we do it. For that time, have a good day, great day. Bye.